I will be sending you an email, and on this email you will receive a link that you will be able to go to my web page. And the first page you will see is my home page. In my home page, you will have an image, which the image that I choose in this case is Belle from Disney movies. It is not my picture. This is not me. The reason I choose it is because I like Disney, any movie that is Disney, and I like all the images, so I actually chose Belle. So that's not me. And then you're gonna see links and different activities that you will be showing over here. So going back to the side of the panel, which is here on the left side, when you click on there, you will see educational site. You click on educational site, and then you have a listed, you have like list the link of the educational site, and you can actually it will be listed in a minute. Over here, your blenspace.com, yourpad.com, and puzzle.com, and so on. And there's supposed to be more that I'll post it later. You go back to the panel, and you will see on the side of the panel, you will see the educational games, contact me, meet your teacher, profile assignment. Once I click the educational games, you will see the few links of the educational games. There's a list over here, and one of the links over here, which is Edpuzzle, is also in my home page. So let me go back to, and then you can see contact me. Then contact me, you have a list to fill up the form, which you put your name, your last name, your email, phone number, and then you can message me, and as I see it, I respond right away. You go back in here to the panel on the left side, you click, and then you see your teacher. There's a little description over here once you open of me. And then you go back here to the slide, and then you see the profile assignment. And on profile assignment, you will see supposed to have my list of the classes. I will post them later. One of them is 600, and then I will fill it more later on. And then you go back to, let's go back to the home page. And then I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to choose actually one activity which I really enjoy to do. And this is, I will bring you down, and I'll show it in a second. Activities over there, down there more. It will be open in a second. Something went off. No, it's good. Just take some time. Yes, there you go. Come on, work. Okay. So this activity, when you click over here, it will bring you to the full screen of that. So I will take a second. It went a little slow over here. Okay, so I will open this in a new tab. And that's a mirror pot game that I actually like the most. Activity that you have, and I'm going to show you in a second once it's open. So I choose to do a planet cycle, sorry, and I post a nice picture of the planet. Then you click, and then you need to do choose. I actually choose a video, and the video is about the life of the cycle of a plant. It's like a 2-3 minutes video that I choose, and then I actually posted some pictures. Post some questions, and then I choose, instead of writing, I just choose. I post a plant life cycle description. It actually gives in any step. Let's say starting from a seed, and then keep going to the germination, and then root and stem, and go back by the sun. Of course, this is the use of the sun that helps. And then the seeding goes rise up, and then the pollination starts, and then the cycle goes over. Then there's another video related video, which is how do seeds become plants. It's also like a 3-4 minute video. It's very interesting. It gives you the steps and how. There's a lady that describes each step, what happens, and then after that, of course the kids after you watch those little short videos, you have questions that I picked, multiple choice questions. Like 4 multiple choice questions. Then there is another game that I put in there. Those are the answers. There's a post of the pin number that once you get into that back of Kahoot, you can actually download it and put that pin and start the game. And then in that game, you have more questions there. It's a fun game. It's like puzzle. You can multiple choice, matching, and then you have the open questions, short answers, like how does the seed grows into a plant, and then you have more questions to fill up the blank. Let's say you put on the right answer with the green. Leaves provide energy. Let's see if it's right. Done. So 3 out of 3. So done. And that's basically it. I really enjoy to do this. Is the first time experience that I actually have with this site. I really enjoy to create it. And I think it's very, very beneficial and a fun way to learn. And that's basically it. Good value.